Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of history's greatest inventors, Nikola Tesla. This is a guy, a mind, that shaped the future as much as any other. Stay tuned for some mind-blowing facts about this genius. You know, when we think about the universe, about the cosmos, we think about vast distances and incredible forces, and yet, here on Earth we had Nikola Tesla, wrestling with the very fabric of reality, trying to harness the power of electricity in ways that seemed almost magical at the time. We're talking about a time when electricity itself was still a novelty to many. Tesla wasn't just an inventor, he was a visionary. He dared to dream of a future powered by clean, limitless energy, a future where information could travel wirelessly across the globe. And the amazing thing is, so many of his out there ideas formed the foundation for technologies we take for granted today. So let's get energized and delve into the life of this electrical pioneer. Legend has it that Nikola Tesla was born during a fierce lightning storm in 1856 in the Austrian Empire, which is modern-day Croatia. I mean, if you're going to become the world's most electrifying inventor, that's quite an entrance, right? Some say this dramatic beginning foreshadowed his brilliant and often turbulent future. Imagine a world still lit largely by candles and gaslight. Into that world enters Tesla, and in his mind he sees a future illuminated by a different kind of power. A power not confined by wires and flames, but something far more potent, something he would dedicate his life to understanding and mastering. It's like the universe was sending a message. This kid's going to be different. This kid's going to be electric. And boy, was he ever! Tesla possessed an extraordinary photographic memory, allowing him to recall entire books and images in great detail. Imagine the processing power. This guy was like a walking, talking Google, but instead of algorithms, it was pure brain power. This incredible ability allowed him to absorb knowledge like a sponge. He devoured books on science, engineering, and mathematics, building a vast mental library that fueled his inventions. It wasn't just about memorizing facts. Tesla could visualize complex systems in his mind, rotating them, taking them apart, and putting them back together, all without putting pen to paper. It was like his mind was a laboratory where he could experiment and innovate with incredible speed and precision. Talk about a mental advantage. One of Tesla's most famous inventions, the Tesla coil, is still used today in radio technology and various other applications. This thing was pure spectacle. It's basically a resonant transformer circuit that produces high voltage, high frequency alternating current electricity. Picture this: giant sparks shooting across the room, illuminating the laboratory in a dazzling display of raw electrical power. Tesla used these coils to demonstrate the principles of wireless power transmission, sending electricity through the air without any physical connection. This wasn't just some parlor trick, though. The Tesla coil was a fundamental building block for technologies like radio, television, and even medical imaging. It showed the world that energy could be harnessed, manipulated, and even transmitted in ways they had never imagined. Tesla was a polyglot, fluent in 8 languages, which included Serbo-Croatian, English, Czech, German, French, Hungarian, Italian, and Latin. Now that's what I call a global mind. He could debate physics in Italian, discuss literature in French, and charm investors in English. This linguistic prowess wasn't just a party trick. It allowed Tesla to access scientific research and collaborate with thinkers from all over the world. Remember, this was a time long before Google Translate. In a way, Tesla's mastery of languages mirrored his ambition to connect the world through technology. He understood that communication in all its forms was key to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and innovation. Tesla had a visionary idea of transmitting electricity wirelessly, a concept that is still being explored and developed today. Imagine a world without power cords, where energy flows freely through the air, powering our homes, our cars, everything. Tesla's vision was to create a global network of wireless power transmission towers, beaming energy through the Earth's atmosphere. He believed this technology could revolutionize the world, making clean, limitless energy available to everyone. While his dream of a fully wireless world is still a work in progress, Tesla's ideas laid the groundwork for modern wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even the wireless charging pads we use for our smartphones. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Nikola Tesla, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time. We've only just scratched the surface of Nikola Tesla's incredible life and work. This was a man who dreamt big, who saw the potential of science and technology to transform the world. And while some of his ideas might have seemed like science fiction at the time, many of them have become the reality we live in today. So the next time you flick on a light switch or connect to Wi-Fi or marvel at the power of electricity, take a moment to remember the extraordinary genius of Nikola Tesla, a true visionary who illuminated the path to the future.